and let's click on the settings, and then we will go inside see all settings page. And if you can see on my top, we have general, label, inbox, account, import, filter and blocked addresses, forwarding, and pop and IMAP. You select this section, and here we have add a forwarding address, or you can also forward only some of your mail by creating a filter. So let's add an address first, and here you can add anything. Let's say xyz@gmail.com, and then click next. It will take you towards the next page. And if you create a filter is exactly the same thing. You can do the same here, xyz@gmail.com. So that's it on how to add a filter on forwarding emails. Thumbs up, like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.